So my name is Kimberly. I'm a P1000 leader here in Wealthier World and in IM Academy. I've been doing this for 6 months. I've been trading for 6 months, guys. Been in the family for 6 months. Is it 6 months? Well, almost 6 months, guys. And it's been the best experience ever. I've never done this before. I'm coming from a nursing background. Um, Retired, so I literally do this full time, guys. So serving is nothing new. It's just it's kind of having fun at the same time, right? So this is all me, guys. So you might know me from my HFX sessions. I still do the HFX session, but right now we want people to get paid both ways as well. We want people to get paid with HFX, and we want get people to get paid with forex as well, with the normal traditional forex, which is where colors come in. You do have your other strategies. Big up Tara for Delirium, big up Lisa for DCX, and big up Jade for Index Infusion, big up Tosin for the indices for US 30. But over here with colors, guys, we're literally teaching you how to use colors and how to profit in the market by scalping with the 1 minute in the 1 minute market, right? So what I'll be doing, guys, is going over the training, right? And then we're going to take some live trades as well, guys. So I'm going to teach you how to use colors. So do make sure you have a pen and you have a paper or pencil or whatever you use, right? Let me just let some more people in, right? Hold on a second. We have 36 people, 37 people on this call, right? So there you go. Just let them in. All right. So how colors work, guys, is really, really simple, right? So basically what you're looking out for is the boxes. So we're going to start with the boxes first, guys, and I'm going to be using arrows to show you what I'm doing, right? So what you're going to be doing, looking out for, guys, are these boxes. So you have the red boxes right here, right? The red boxes, and you have the green boxes, right? So if you do not see any of these boxes, you do not take no trade at all. No box, no trade, right? Now, if you see a box like this, well, we have more people coming on. We have more people coming on. Right. So if you see a red box like this, guys, right? And it appears, do bear in mind these boxes appear automatically, right? So if you might be in a trade and you just see it appear automatically. That's how Doxpills created colors, right? Now the pair that I'm on right now is silver, right? Anybody like trading silver? If you like trading silver, then this is your pair right here, right? Now, silver, let me talk about the boxes first. Now, the boxes act as a form of support and resistance, right? So support and resistance. And what you're doing is when you see the trades come up all the way into the red boxes, that's when you would take the market for a sell, right? And this is on the 1 minute time frame, guys, right? So what you're looking out for in these boxes are arrows and triangles, right? Arrows and triangles. So do make sure you take a note of this, guys. You're looking out for arrows and triangle, right? Hold on a second. Oh, thank you, Tracy. Yes. So, say for example, this one was for silver, was for a buy earlier, right? You would literally be buying this market up. So I'm going to show you with some big arrows here, guys. So this is where the market starts to change over, right? So as you can see, you're in the green box right here, right? And these triangles start coming up. And you might see some yellow boxes as well. Those boxes represent change of direction, right? We call them transition candles. So you do not get into the trade yet until you see more confirmation, right? Because do remember, you have to line up the colors first before you can jump into the trade, right? So right here, right in this box right here, you could see that the red EMA line had changed to green. So that's one confirmation. Let me let some more people in. We have over 50 people on this call, guys. Woo! Nobody not sleeping, not in sleep. Yeah. We have over 50 people on this call. So here you go. You have your green box, your green EMA line, you have your green triangle. Now right here, it might seem a bit fine for you. You might see some yellow candles right here with some green outline. Now the green outline signifies, on the yellow box, signifies that the market is leaving out of a seller's market to a buyer's market, right? So that's what it signifies. Hold on, let me let some more people in. All right, there you go. So right here, you're lining up. Up here is already lined up, guys, right? For the buy. Now you come down, you have green bars right here, right? You have green bars right here. Down, you have green, this green EMA line, it looks like a worm to me. You have a green line, green worm right here, and you have the green volume bars, right? So here's what you're looking out for, guys. The yellow transition line, yellow transition candles, I should say. So yellow, you're looking for a buy out of the green box. You're looking for yellow transition candle with a green outline. So what I mean by green outline, guys, let me just enlarge in this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Bear with me a second. We have more people coming on. We have more people coming on. All right, so we're not gonna rush, guys. We're gonna take our time because I know everybody learns different, right? I'll be doing this training right throughout the week, guys. Unless I have change of plans, then I will update everyone in the Discord chat. All right, here you go. Let me know if you can see my screen, guys. Can you see where my mouse is? Can you guys see this yellow candle with the green outer on it? Let me know in the chat. So this is called a transition candle, guys. So as you can see, for the more advanced traders, they could have entered right here if they wanted to. But you want to make sure that you're actually going in for a buy, right? So green outline on the yellow transition candle, that signifies that the market is going to be moving from one option to the next. So from sellers to buyers, or from buyers to sellers, right? So right here, the market was already planning to change, right? So there was more confirmation right here. Can you see the yellow candles there? They're very, very tiny, but they have the green outline coming across. So the market was moving sideways for a while, but right here was where you gain more confirmation, right? So right here you have the green EMA, you have the green box, you have the green triangle, you have the green bars right here, you have the green EMA at the bottom again, right? Then you have the green volume bars, right? So that's to signifies that, listen, it's time to get in for a buy. Now, guys, it might be a bit confusing because you might see sellers coming into the market. You're still staying into that trade, right? It might be a small pullback, right? It might be a small pullback, but it won't be much. You're staying into this trade until when it hits the red box, right? So does it matter where the line at the bottom is? So you're talking about this section. So once it's underneath, once it's oversold, it's time to buy. Once it's overbought, it's time to sell. So this line right here, you never trade in this yellow liquid right here. Let me let some more people in. So this yellow liquid, you never trade inside of it. You always trade underneath, going up for a buy, or over, going down for a sell, right? So let me show you guys something. So this is gold, guys. So this was not long ago. This is on a 1 minute time frame, right? So here's what you're gonna do, guys. You would be in this trade, right? And you're all in the trade all the way up to this red box. So can you guys see this? Drop goated in the chat if you see this, guys. This is where you would enter. You can, for the advanced traders, if you want to enter early, you can. If you want to enter when you see more confirmation, you can get in right here. And you're all in this trade all the way up to the red box, right? No, this is on the, this is, yes, Ducks Pills, goated. Yes. So when it gets up to the red box, guys, what are you doing? Let me know. When it leaves from the green box up to the red, what are you do? What are you looking for? Or what are you doing? Right? Because remember, you're buying up. What are you doing? Selling. See, I want to get it, man. I want to get it. You understand? So when it comes up to the red box, guys, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a red arrow, a red box. Make sure the red box is there, right? A red triangle. You're looking for yellow candle with red outline. Yellow candle, red outline. Yellow candle, green outline for a buy, right? Now, can you see what's happening right here? So for the advanced traders, again, if you want to go in from the arrow right here, you can. Let me just draw this down so and put an arrow there so you can see what I'm doing. Hold on. We have more people coming in. We have more people. A party I keep over here, so in a party I keep over here. So, all right. So this is what you're looking for, guys. Let me get the arrow and boom. So right here, right? This is what you're looking for, guys. Can you see this arrow that I just put here, right? So this arrow signifies that, yes, colors party. This arrow signifies that we're going in for a sell. Now, guys, even though the market do a pullback, you're still staying into the trade. It's just like if you were to go in for it's just as if you were to go in for a thing for a buy, and the market literally pull back for it to go in this direction. That's what you're waiting for. So if you enter early, right, you're staying into this trade. And can you see the red EMA change from the green? And you're staying into this trade. Can you see it pulled up a little bit? You're still staying in, the red line is still there. It's red box, I should say. Then it came back down, right? If you wanted, you could take your profit, you could take partials. And then can you see what happened? It came back up to entry again, right? It came back up to entry. You're still staying in the trade, right? You're still staying into the trade, guys. And can you see more confirmation came right here with a yellow candle and the red outline, and a second arrow. Look at this, guys. A second arrow came for more confirmation, right? Hold on, guys. I'll answer the questions after, right? Just make sure you're taking notes. So you have 3 confirmations that this market is really, really gonna sell, right? And can you see what happened after the second arrow came? This market tanked all the way down to the green box again. There you go. You take your profits and you buy this thing back up again, right? You buy it up again, guys. Let me see if I can go in the chat box and see if I see any questions. Hold on a second. All right, so Ivy says, so all this transition is happening within, yes, all this is happening within 1 minute, guys. So I scalp on the 1 minute. You can scalp on anything. Well, you can do the 15 minutes, you can do the 5 minutes, you can do any amount of minutes that you wish, right? But for me, the scalping works, right? Yes, for me, the scalping does work. So that's it, guys. So this is it. You're literally buying up, you're buying down, you're selling down, sorry. Then it came down, sorry, it came down to the green candle, to the green box again. And look what happened right here, guys. Let me show you all something. As some know, somebody goated and all the goated when we see this. So you can enter early if you wish, or you can enter from here, right? If you enter from here, can you see what happened? You have the green transition candles, right? The green outer on the yellow candle. You have your green box, your green triangle, and the green EMA, right? The green EMA is right there, and you're holding this market all the way up, guys, back to the red box. This is silver, guys, right? You hold it all the way up to the red box, and look at this, guys. Look what it did again. Sell silver again, right? Sell silver again, right? It's in the red box. You have your red arrow pointing down, right? But the transition candles start right here, right? The transition candles start right here, and then you have your red EMA cutting across, you have your red arrow, your red triangle, and then you have a red asterisk. So this signifies that there's liquidity in the market, guys. So underneath here, can you see where it's moving sideways? Right here is liquidity. So as you can see, silver is all the way down. So now we're looking for a buy, guys. So if we retest this area more than a few times, I think more than 5 times, right? Then it will eventually break this area, and it will either sell all the way down, or it will make its way up. So what we're going to do, guys, right? So these retests, so proven means this is literally come to this resistance more than 3 times. So as you can see here, proven is a strong resistance. So 4 times this silver has rejected off of this area, 4 times. So this means this is a strong resistance, guys, right? So here what happened now? That's why it keeps bouncing off. Then it came down and it retested this area 2 times. So this is to signify that, listen, get ready for a buy, right? So get ready for a buy on silver, right? So if you have enough money in your MetaTrader 4, you're getting ready for a buy right here. Now, what we're waiting for, if somebody could drop it in the chat, what are we waiting for? We're waiting for arrows, we're waiting for triangle, we're waiting for a transition candle with a green outline, right? With a green outer line. Bear with me a second, I'm just letting some people in. Bear with me. All right, there you go. So we are waiting, so we are waiting for the yellow candle with a green transition outer layer. We're waiting for a green EMA line, where, because this is already in the green box, guys. We're waiting for the arrows. We're waiting for these to turn green, these bars. We're waiting for this line, this second EMA, to turn green, because as you can see, it's oversold at the moment, right? And we're waiting for green volume bars under here, right? So there's a next thing, guys. There's a next thing. Once you start seeing, once you start seeing, let me just make this big so y'all can see what I'm talking about. All right, bear with me a second, bear with me. All right, so this is the next thing, guys. Once you see, right, the red candle clipped underneath the yellow and the blue, it signifies that sellers are coming into the market, right? Once you see the green is above the yellow and the blue, it signifies that buyers are coming into the market, right? So if you still see the red volume bar is still clipped underneath, and it's not pushing out enough volume, that means the volume, the sellers are not strong enough, and buyers are gonna come into the market, right? So now the sellers are getting weak, right? The sellers are getting weak, so we are looking for a buy anytime soon. So can you see that it's rejecting off of this area right here? And all we're waiting for is the arrows and the transition candle to for us to take this buy up, guys, on silver on a 1 minute scalper. Green, 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 and more green confirmation. All right, please can you repeat? All right. So so look at this, guys. Look at this right here. Get ready, guys. Get ready. We want everything to line up before we go in for the buy, guys. So what I was saying with the volume bars, when you see the yellow, when you see the red volume bar clipped underneath the yellow and the blue, it signifies that sellers that you're gonna go in for a sell, right? If it's if the sellers are more than the buyers in volume, you're gonna still stay in that sell, right? You're gonna still stay in that sell. When you see the green, when you see the green come up and pass the yellow and the blue, it means that buyers are coming into the markets. So it's gonna be strong volume. So all of this is volume bars, guys. So volume bars right here. So these bars change from red to green, from green to red, and that's how they change. Hold on a second. Let me see this. Bear with me, guys. All right. So I don't know if you guys can see what's happening right here now. So right here, right, we have a green arrow. We have the green box. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see the green outer line on the red candle right here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a bit fine. It's a bit fine right here. Can you guys see the green outer line on the red candle? Right? It can be on yellow. The yellow is more dominant, but it can happen on any candle, guys. So can you see this? We already have one confirmation. We already have 2, 3, right? We already have some buyers coming into the market with the volume right here, right? We're waiting for this to turn green, and we're waiting for this EMA to turn green. So can you see this candle, guys? It's about to turn yellow. Hold on a second. Hold on. Let me let some more people in. Hold on. We have 97 people on this call, guys. 97 people. All right, guys. So it's coming in slowly. The buyers are coming in slowly, guys. The buyers are coming in slowly, slowly, slowly. Right? So when you do see a yellow transition line candle, guys, you can get in from that candle early if you wanted to, right? But if you want to wait, you can, because the market can turn around on us. So we want to still wait for this to turn green, right? And as you can see, we have some volume bars. They're coming in slowly, 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 right? So do remember, guys, no box, no trade. So at the moment, this is still under a box, right? This is still under a box. And guys, the boxes do appear automatically. So say for example, if silver was still to go down for a sell, this green box would disappear because it would break it would break this support area right here, guys. So the boxes do disappear and appear whenever they like magic. You understand, that magician? So we are still waiting, guys. Let's see if we have any more confirmation. All right, we're waiting, we're waiting. All right, let's see. So it came down, silver came down and retested this one before, right? And it came down here and retested this one before. So this is silver, guys. We're going to look at other pairs, guys. We're going to look at other pairs. But if you have any questions in the meantime, while we wait for more confirmation, we need to see a triangle. We have an arrow already. We're waiting for a triangle, guys. and we're waiting for these two EMA to turn green. That's all we're waiting for, guys. All right, so when it's in the first box, that's when you put in a trade. So when you see the arrow appear, you can enter early if you wish, but you still want to wait for the EMAs to turn green. So Dr. Spitz normally say that when you see the first arrow, because the arrows can disappear, so you want to wait for the triangle for extra confirmation. So when you see that the transition candle, you can enter early, right, at your own risk. Because silver could turn around on us and say, listen, I'm not buying, and just wipe out everybody out there MetaTrader 4. But can you see there's a transition candle right here with the red yellow? It doesn't know what to do. So that's why we're not entering too soon. We're waiting for more confirmation. What do the green and the red arrows in the box and the information box mean? Oh yeah. Oh guys, look at this. Our arrows, see, as soon as my target disappear, guys. Can you see that? It literally disappeared. So if you click on details, it gives you all of the details right here. So the triangles mean trend line. The arrows, these ones, the little slim body ones, they mean levels. The short body ones mean confirmation 2, and the asterisks mean confirmation 1. So you can click on details and you can read them in your own time, guys. And it will tell you what the colors mean. So if you have 3 reds, you know you're going in for a sell. If you have 3 greens, first 3 greens, right, you can go in for a buy. So like right here, AUDJPY, all of them are red, you would go in for a sell, but it can change while you're in the trade, right? It can change. So can you see what's happening right here? It's literally retesting this area. So this is why that arrow disappeared, because the sellers are too strong. They're still in. If we drop down to the, let's see, if we drop down to the 4 hour and see who is dominating the market. So you can change the time frame, guys. Look at this. They said when we see this now, guys, I was goated for real. Yeah, this made me goated. Or you can change the time frame over here, right? You can change, whoops, you can change the time frame over here and then drop down to the 1 minute over on the screen right here. Hold on a second. It's just taking its time. Bear with me, guys. Hold on. It's saying it's unresponsive. Will you please wait? All right, we wait for it to come up, guys. Kimberly, what does goated mean? I don't know. I hear Dr. Spitz with it, so I'm just run with it. I think it means legend or something like that. Yes, I think it means legend or yeah, greatness or something. Oh gosh. Listen. Yes, definitely. It means some legendary or something. All right, guys. So look at this. Can you see this on the 4 hour time frame? The buyers are in control, guys. Can you see this? On the 4 hour time frame, the buyers are in control, right? The buyers are in control on silver on the 4 hour time frame. And the sellers are trying to creep in. So this is why you see the red outline on the green candles. Now if we drop down on the 1 hour time frame, look at this, guys. This was really goated. This was actually the goated part. So look at this. On a 1 hour time frame, guys, silver's been buying. So can you see this? The arrows came in right there. Let me delete these old ones right here. So look at this. On the 1 hour time frame, the sellers try coming in, but it's not strong enough for them to take over. So this is why you see the red box appear on the 1 hour time frame, right? So if you wanted to trade on 1 hour time frame, you could, right? Personally, me, I love the scalping. I love the 1 minute, right? So can you see what's happening right here? On the 1 hour, it's saying to go for a sell, right? But it's only a minimum of sellers coming in, minimum. So I wouldn't even chance it, right? So if we drop down back to the 1 minute, right? We're looking for buys, right? We're looking for buys, guys. That's what we're looking for. I think this call is maxed out. Absolutely maxed out. All right, we need to zoom this out. All right, guys. So drop some number sevens in the chat if you're learning so far. Let me know if you're learning so far, guys. So we are waiting. So look at this. Look at this cell, guys. Jeez, you would be making money now, my guys. May I tell us, say, make sure you're using this strategy, because I'm telling you, I literally flipped £100. Right, I didn't trade today, guys, because on Monday when the market just opened, the market can move a bit slow and it can move a little bit erratic. So from tomorrow, from tomorrow my time, I will be trading. Right, so probably about 12 midnight my time, I will be up on colors trading. But I didn't trade today, Monday. But can you see what's happening right here? This is a perfect example of silver. You literally take the candle, take the trade from the red box, and you're holding this trade all the way down to the green box. And can you see what happened? The arrow was right here, and it disappeared because it's still retesting back this area, right? The sellers are still in control on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame, the buyers are in control, right? So as you can see right here, the volume of sellers are coming in. So we wouldn't go into this trade yet, guys. We're still waiting. So we're in our green box, guys. So we're getting ready for a buy anytime soon, right? So this is what you're looking for. You want green bars, green volume bars, green EMA, as you can see, is oversold at the moment. We want green bars right here. We have a green box. We need a green candle, or a yellow transition candle with green outline. We need the arrow. We need the asterisk, and we need the triangle, and we need the EMA to turn green. It might seem a lot, guys, but once you come on here and you line up the colors, you just instantly take the trade. You can literally just wake up in the morning, look at your phone and say green, 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 buy, red, 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 sell. That's it. As long as the box is there, you're good to go. Kim, how do you how do you outline your stop loss? Oh yes, let's talk about that, guys. The stop loss and the take profit. All right. So once everything start lining up, guys, right? There's gonna be some lines that appear automatically as well. Everything is automatic, guys. Everything. Can you see these lines above on the green, on the red box, right? So say for example you're going in for a sell. Your stop loss would have been in the middle right here where you see this line, or it could be right here. So this would have been your stop loss. So meanwhile this is coming down, this is coming down. Or what you could do is you could do from box to box. So you could trade from box to box. You could have your stop loss right here, and when the candles come all the way down to the green box, you take your profit, right? And as I talk, it look like me I'm mad up money. Now look at this, guys. Can you see this line appear? This would have been your take profit, guys. Right here, right? This would have been your take profit if you were going in for a sell. Now, if you're going in for a buy, those lines will appear automatically, right? So can you see what's happening now? This line, this EMA is turning green, right? This EMA is turning green. We're waiting for green volume bar. We're waiting for the green arrow, the triangle, right? and this to turn green, and we going for a buy. So basically it's all green or yes, so all green or all red in the boxes. So no box, no trade. No box, no trade, guys. Right? So is rejecting off of this area right here, right? Is rejecting off of this area right there. So we have the EMA down here already changing green. So all we're waiting for, guys, is everything to line up and we go in for a buy on silver. So let me get my phone ready, guys. Let me get my phone ready. Make sure you have enough money in your account now, guys, for silver, because me tell you, silver is, yeah, silver, a bad boy trade them, yeah. All right, what is the, so the asterisk means liquidity. So there's, it's here as well. So the, yeah, it means liquidity. Yes, if you have demo, guys, do try it on your demo. So can you see what's happening now, guys? Mr. Jesus Christ, we are going to go live educator now. Can you see what's happening there, guys? Can you see everything lining up now? Drop a number 7. All we're waiting for is for the arrows, guys. The arrow and the triangle. But look at this. There's a yet. Oops. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Bear with me a second. Hold on, guys. Bear with me a second. It just logged me out. Let me just log back in. It's because I've been in there so long. It's because I've been in there so long. The thing literally just logged me out. Hold on, guys. All right, we're back in. We're back in. Let me know if you can see my screen, guys. Listen, I forgot to ask for the extended zoom because too much people come on. Everybody depend me to say it's called max out. The card is maxed out, guys. We need to find silver. We need to find back silver, guys. So silver is going in for a buy. Hold on, hold on. Come on, you're taking too long. Hurry up, man. Sure. All right. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. You're saying waiting. Waiting for colors. Listen, guys, if you master this and also practice on your demo, you will see what is happening. You will actually see what's happening. If you practice on your demo, you will see what's happening. How do you zoom in and out? Okay, so at the bottom you will see these two. You will see the zoom out and the zoom in, the plus and the minus. I'm getting the old days worth of signals on mine. Okay, so you zoom in and zoom out. So guys, I don't know if you can see gold silver on your chart on your MetaTrader 4 now. Can you see it's already moving up? Let me know if you can already see silver moving up, guys. Come on. Listen, everybody goated right now. Let me find silver. Let me find silver over here. Listen. Listen. Silver is already moving up. Let me find it. Let me find it. It's doing a pullback at the moment. So if you've not got in, guys, you can jump in. If you've not got in, you can jump in. But silver is on its way up. Come on, silver, where are you? Silver. Oh, here we go. Can you, all right, guys, can you see the all green? Can you see all green right here now, guys? So all green on your panel, right? On your panel is all green. All right. Let me know if anybody took that trade. Let me know. Let me just double click on it. It takes so long to load, but Jesus. All right, hold on a second. Hold on. So if you have a demo account, you can practice on your demo, guys. Practice, practice, practice until you get used to it. If you have enough money in your live account, trade it live and make some money in 1 minute. All right. Why is it going back to GB? Listen, thing don't play with me now. All right. In demo, yes. It's moving. Do we put the stop loss yet, or you will tell us? Yes, I'll tell you the stop loss. I'll tell you the stop loss and the take profit. All right, let's see, let's see. This thing is just taking its time. So this session is recorded, guys. I'll make sure I put it out. And here goes the noise. But good thing, son, I did talk about the training before. All right. Hold on, guys. So I'm just waiting. Let me zoom out, zoom out. All right, it's giving me, I don't want GBP, I need a silver. All right. All right, this thing is being stubborn right now. Bear with me, guys. I don't know what's happening, but it's not loading. Probably this side, like, listen, y'all chat too much. Come off now. All right, bear with me, guys. Let me stop share and then I'll share again. Stop share. Oops. Hold on, bear with me a second. And let me share again. 1 second. All right, let's see if it's gonna come up this time. All right, I don't know what's happening, but the devil is a liar today. The devil is a liar. Hold on. The thing actually, but Jesus, the thing come off of the screen in the people. The thing came off. Listen. All right, let me pull it back up, guys. You see, when the devil see where I try to make little money and them are coming in, you have to give them a break. They don't know that we ain't running away. All right, so it's loading, guys. All right, so silver is taking its time. It's moving up, guys. Is anybody in profit? Did anybody get in early? Is anybody in profit? All right, let me just find this again. We give this one more go. We're two out of order. All right, hold on. All right, so that's gold. So silver should be on here. That's NAS 100. And I want to keep you guys to, hold on, too late. All right, let me see. All right, let me get back Zoom and then share. All right, let me see what's in the, so Kim is in profit. Yeah, the devil out of order, bad, bad, bad. All right, let me stop share, guys. Let me stop recording. Yes. So all you have to do is trust the trade, as Kim said, and if it hits your stop loss, then you enter again. That doesn't mean that the trade won't go up. So if you came on colors, right, and you see 3 greens, the 3 greens means you're going for a buy. If you see mixed colors like this, it means that there is momentum, there's volatility, there is some pullbacks in the market. So you wouldn't enter this trade. You would wait until you see all colors. Now, can you see what's happening with silver? Right here, it means that there's not enough buyers right here. And the yellow means that the market is moving sideways. So that's what the yellow means, right? So as you can see, it's Going back down, it doesn't mean that it's not going to go up, guys, right? Because it's still oversold. And let me just broaden this out for you guys so you can see exactly what is happening right here. Can you see we're still under the RSI, or the EMA is still underneath, so we're still expecting silver to go up, right? So let's see what's going to happen right here. We have all the confirmation, so we are still staying in the trade, guys. We're still staying in the trade. When is it below the box? When it's below the box, can you sell? So if it's in the green box, what is the stop loss? Oh yes, so the stop loss, guys, would be under here, right? The stop loss, hold on, let me do this. Let me do this. So your stop loss, right, would be underneath the asterisk and the triangle. So let me do this in pink. So your stop loss would have been 28.10523. That would have been your stop loss, right? That would have been your stop loss. So let's see. So one of our arrow did go away just here, right? So at any point, guys, that you're in a trade, right? So for example, for the silver, and you see this green box disappears, um, either pull out the trade, or if your account can handle it, stay in, right? Which means it's retesting this area, and if it breaks this area, the box will disappear, and that would be for a sell. For a sell as well. If you're in a sell and it's going up, the box will disappear and test a new area, right? That means it will still go up. So like this one now, our green box is still there. It's still for a buy, right? As you can see right here, we're still in for a buy. If there is more than 2 arrows that came up and the triangle, and you see a red box up here right here, it means that silver is still selling, right? And as you can see, there's a little bit of sellers coming into the market, but it's not strong enough as the buyers, because remember, on the higher time frame it is buying. So if you go on the 4-hour time frame, right, we saw buyers were in the market. So it's literally back at our entry right here. So hold on, let me go on the 4-hour time frame, right? And as you can see, it's buying on the 4-hour, right? It's buying on the 4-hour. So we are still staying into that trade, guys. Drop a number one if you're still in this trade, because I can see the market turn around just a while ago, and it's blue at the moment. So do not panic. Your state, and this is what happened, guys. I used to be scared to trade indices, and since colors, listen, right now, anybody give me indices for trade, I trade it. Right? Before my heart used to pump up, I said, Jesus Christ, I'm gonna lose all of my money. Why? You see all of the pullback just now? I used to be scared. I said, no, I can't do this. No, if the pullback is too much, no. Yeah. With colors, you don't need to fret, guys, because if it pulls back on you, make sure you have it. If you're in your live account, make sure you have enough money in there, so when the market pulls back, you don't come out of the trade, right? So can you see what's happening right now? The green candle is back. Buyers are coming into the market, right? Let's see what's gonna happen right here. Buyers and sellers are literally fighting right now. Buyers and sellers are fighting right now, guys. So look at this. There's a green asterisk over this red candle. So there you go. So we're still waiting. We want some buyers volume to come in and this to turn back green, right? Figure my cat. Kimberly, my cat, loves the sound of your voice. She's never as chill as this. I might have to do a Jamaica accent more for her to enjoy. Okay. Thanks. All right, guys. Can you see what's happening right here? Can you can you see this, guys? The arrow came back, it just disappeared. The arrow was just there. Can you see what's happening? We're lining up everything, guys. We're lining up everything, right? We're still in this silver trade for a buy, guys. We're still in for a buy, right? We have we have the buyers coming in slowly, 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 right? Who can see the yellow transition candle right here? Look at this, guys. Can you see everything lining up right now? We have a green transition, a yellow transition candle with a green outline. We have a green box. We have green bars, right? We have the green right here on this EMA. We're waiting for some green volume bars right here. Right here, we're waiting for some green bars right here, guys. So we're still in this trade. You're not moving from there until you see more green, right? All right. So we have how much? One, two, three, four confirmation of green. All right, guys, see the buyers coming in right now. Can you see the green? The green volume bars is so fade you can't even see it, but it's coming, guys. It's coming. It's coming. It's still coming, guys. Right? But we are still in that trade. We're still in that trade. We only need some green volume bars, right? The buyers and the sellers are fighting on the lower. This is a lower time frame, guys. But right here, as you can see, what happened? The buyers did come in, and the EMA did change the green right here, right? Then it changed back to red. Then it's about to change back to green. Then that's your more extra confirmation. What is the take profit? So the take profit, keep your eyes, keep your have good eyes. Yes. Listen. So your take profit would be up here, guys. This line right here, let me just show you. This would have been your take profit. This would have been your take profit one, the one that I just did in pink right here, and this would have been your take profit two. So do remember, when it comes up to one to the box, that would have been your take profit. When it comes down to the green box, right, that would have been your take profit if you're selling, right? So what we're waiting for now is still moving sideways, guys, still moving sideways. It might take a while. What time is it now? It might take it's 12:10 in the UK, it's 6:10 here. So it might take a while for it to go up, but it's still on that box, guys. You're still staying into that trade. You're still buying. The stop loss. So hold on a second. So when the candle start moving up, guys, your stop loss is right here. Your stop loss is 28. Your stop loss is 28.12900. So your stop loss, but you won't be putting it now, guys. Wait until the candle start moving up. That's when you would have put your stop loss. Because the market is pulling back a bit, you wouldn't put your stop loss yet um until when the candles start moving up, right? But if you want to create a next stop loss, you can just below the previous arrow, which is literally right here, right here. But it won't even come down this far, guys, trust me. Because if you look to your left, you can see where the market was before. Hold on, let me let some people in. Hold on. If you look to your left, guys, right, it hasn't been to that structure before, right? Well, once right here, but it's still above our second stop loss. All right, but you're still selling into that trade. Can you see it's literally retesting this area right here? Still retesting. So you can manage it, guys. You can literally watch it before you go bed, or you want to wake up in the morning and see what happened if it did go up. But trust me, guys, it will go up. Trust me. May I stay on my own? Can you put the stop loss? Can you put in a stop loss after you place the trade? Yes, you can. Yes, you can put in a stop loss. Yes, you can do that, guys. You can put in your stop loss. Spread is too large, I think. Which broker are you with? Let me see what's the spread. The spread on gold is mine is 52. Okay, I'm on KOT as well. So, all right, guys, hold on. We move this up out of the way. See what happened, guys? Hold on. Can you guys see what's happening right here? It's rejected off of this area. Can you see what is happening? Can you guys see the green candle? All right, listen. Can you guys see the green candle? Can you guys see what's happening right now? Hold on, let me move these arrows out of the way because when you think me a player now, when you think me a player, can you guys see this? The buyers are coming in right now. Look at this. Tell me if you not goated. Yes, man. Patient, guys. You have to be very, very, very patient. Remember, we're getting paid to wait. We are getting paid to wait. Right now, we have one, two, three, four, five, five confirmation. The sixth one would have been this EMA to turn green, and that's all you need for the night. And you close your hands and say a prayer and go to your bed. All you hear is goated. Oh God. Oh God. Very patient with this strategy. Or it won't work. Exactly. Very patient with this strategy or it won't work. It might be, do remember, guys, is what session is it now? Are we in Tokyo session? Do remember, guys, that the market will slow down during the night. But if this it could have slowed down a little more, it's still like a reach up to the top, guys. Right? It's still gonna reach up. Tell it to stop. Tell it to stop, come back down. Oh gosh. But can you see what's happening, guys? It's the buyers are coming in now. Remember, guys, if you look at the higher time frame, you will see who is dominating the market. And when we looked at the 4 hour and the 1 hour, it was buyers. Now, can you see the buyers coming in right now on the 1 minute? You tell me, because I'm seeing blue on my MetaTrader 4. Right? It might play a little ipsy dipsy, but it's still gonna go up. Can you all right, guys? Let me move the arrow out of the way here so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Look at this. Can you see this EMA curling up, guys? Look at this. Jesus, peace, the people have goated. Yeah. Uno better go tags dark spills on IG and tell themselves come over here, so keep. People are making money. Listen, people are making money on silver right now. I'm if I tell you now. Listen, can you guys see the arrows disappeared, right? The arrows disappeared, right? And silver is moving up, guys. I'm telling you, you have to be patient with this strategy, right? If you're trading the more exotic pairs and the indices like US 30 and NAS 100, you're talking about fast movements. But like this one, we're in Tokyo session, so we have to be a little bit patient because it's the middle of the night, right? But look what's happening. Even though it does a little bit of pullback, guys, it's still going to move up, right? So if you entered from early, right, you would have been up a couple of pips. You would be in blue. But can you see the EMA is about to cross the yellow and move all the way up, right? You have more than enough confirmations, guys, for you to get in. More than enough from right here, right? If you had entered right here and it did pull back just a little bit, it's still there, and then it's making its way up, right? It's making its way up. So Kim is blue, right? All right, guys. Can you guys see the triangle? Mr. Jesus Christ, the people have goated. The people have goated over here. So look here. Can you guys see the triangle up here? Can you guys see the green EMA is popping out right here? We don't have anything else more to say over here. Look at this. Look at this, guys. That's your that's your confirmation right there. That is your confirmation right there. Trust me. Now, when these lines appear, sometimes it does mean that it's rejecting off of this area, but these lines does disappear as well. So it's just like the boxes. These lines just does disappear as well. So don't look at these lines. If the lines pass right here, your stop loss line will appear underneath, guys. So they appear automatically, right? They do appear automatically. We want this to Hulk smash. Can you see one of that? What did I say, guys? All right, we don't talk for the night. Can you see one of the lines disappear? Okay. Da 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 da. I know I'm blue. I know I'm blue. Can you see the next line disappear? All right. There you go. Do we buy now? Yeah, you can still jump it. Well, um it's kind of too late. You can still jump in on the 1 minute, but you would have jumped in from when I said to get in for the buy. You can advance entry here, or you would have enter right here when you start seeing the buyers come in the market, right? It would be too late to jump in at your own risk. Yeah. But can you see this is already moving up, guys? It's too late to jump in. I know KOT spreads is Lord of mercy, come like it just eat up all of Jamaica. It's absolutely insane. But look at this, guys. Look at that buy on silver. Let me see my one. Where my one? Look blue, blue, blue. Yeah, my own is blue, guys. Literally blue, blue, blue. Can look at that candle, guys. Me said Jesus Christ, people make money now. Look at that candle, guys. What time is it? It's not even 30 past. Look at that candle. That is buyers coming into the market. Listen. Listen, never forget me and go live soon, soon, you know. Soon, soon. All right. Soon, soon, they will have to get me on go live. Okay. Me telling you guys, be patient and you will see your money. Be patient and you will see your money, guys. Come on. Right? And you're staying in this trade, guys. You're staying in the trade unless when it's the red box, right? Because do remember, guys, it's been down for a while. It might surpass, it might retest this area and play there for a while, or it might bounce through, right? It might bounce through and go all the way up, and then the red box will disappear. And yes, guys, if you're scalping on a 1 minute, take your profits, right? Take your profits if you're happy, right? If you did, it depends on your account. If you did a one lot size, you take off of it, right? But can you see what happened here? It's not up, it's not finished yet, guys. It's not finished yet. It's not finished yet. The buyers are still strong right here, right? The buyers are still strong. So you're still staying into that trade, guys. Still staying in. But do secure your profits. Can you see a new candle just popped out? Right? New candle just pop out. You're in red. So it did pull back a little bit, guys. It did pull back a little bit. They are river swimming and trading. Oh, good. Exactly. So somebody is at Kalanji is at river and river. So which river you there? Kalanji, cause me there. I look for a river now. Which river are you? All right. Let's see what's happening, guys. Let's see what's happening. How do you secure profits? All right. Um, how do you secure profits? What you should do on your MetaTrader 4, right? Set mirror. Okay, me I come and set mirror. On your swipe on your MetaTrader 4, guys, you're gonna go to where you would see close, but you're not gonna close your trade, right? And then you're gonna click on the so at the top where you see the minus, right? At the top where you see the minus, you're going to click on what you want to take out from the market, right? So whatever you want to take, you can take. And that's how you would take partials. They call it partials. Or you can move your stop loss into profit, right? So can you see you're still in this trade, guys? You're still in this trade because remember, guys, when it's in the middle, you're not trading. It has to be in a box, right? So if you see that the market is pulling back a little bit, make sure you would have take some of your profits while it's going up, right? But keep moving your stop loss into profit and securing your money, right? Or you can close a trade if you're happy, or you can take partials. So you have options, guys. But we're still in a buyer's market, right? We're still in a buyer's market. It might pull back a little bit, guys. It might pull back a little bit. We're still in because this hasn't reached its resistance yet, right? So can you see the sellers are trying to fight and come in and say, no, no, you're not coming, whoa, yeah, they're trying, right? They're trying, you're trying, right? So if you wanted to move your stop loss into profit, you can move it right here. If you're practicing on your demo, or you can close your account, you more close your account. You can close your trade, right? But we're still moving up, guys. We're still moving up, right? Oh, what happened to that box? It got extra red. All right, let's see what's happening here. This box got extra red right there. I don't know what happened there, so, but yeah. This candle, can you see what's happening? This candle literally skip right here. We're still in, guys. We have 7 minutes left on this candle. I can still see a blue candle popping out of mine. All right, I can see a blue candle popping out. And what does verified retest mean? So it means how many times the market has tested that area. So right here, it means how many times has the candles test this area, right? That's what it means. So each time the candles come and read and test this area, a bounce off, that's what it means. Naomi. Yeah, so as you can see, let me show you. So like one, so this would have been 1, 2, 3, 4. So it came to up to this spot right here 4 times, right? So if this last trade that we're in test it again, that would have been 5. But sometimes it can burst through and the red box would have disappeared. Kim, where do you get in on the trade? Where did I get in? So I got in at the advanced entry right here. So as soon as I saw the transition candle, that's where I got in. So even though it was pulling back, I was still in the trade, right? Until when it was ready to take off. I got in half an hour ago and MetaTrader 4 gave me an entry of 28.18. 28.18. So that would have been right on the green box. Even though it did not go go to that area for the last 30 minutes. My entry was 28.13 when I click. So are you blue? Are you in profit? Let me know. Gold did today, was on today, and gold kept going. Yes. So gold is a perfect example because gold actually broke through the red box and it kept going and going and going and going. It's still red. Which was your broker? If it's still red, let me see. Because I know KOT spreads are massive. KOT spreads are absolutely massive. So I got in at 28,110. 28 110. So silver just hit my TP. Sasha on a MT4 IC market. Okay. She must have a big spread. Yeah, if your spreads are big, guys, it will take a while for it to be in profit. Same here. I've only just gone blue, got in at 28,113. The spread's not in profit until 28,171. All right. Yeah. IC market spreads are ridiculous, especially for indices, because for indices they only do one standard lot size for IC market. So can you see what's happening here, guys? It's created at a different level right here, and a blue and a green, sorry, a green arrow came right here. This signifies that this market is still going up. You need a separate broker. Yes. So look at this, guys. This market is still going to go up because it's been down for so long right here. It's been consolidating right here for so long. This market is still moving up on the 1 minute time frame. So can you guys see this candle right here? You goes way as well. Okay, I can. Are you going to do more of these trainings? Yes. So once you're in, guys, I'll be doing these trainings every day. Every day, yes. So once you're in, I'll be doing these trainings every day. This is also recorded, so I'll put this up on my YouTube channel, I'll get someone to put it in the training section. I think there should be a color section, and I'll put these videos in so you can go back and watch them if you like. But also do go onto Doc Spill's channel and watch his favorite videos, guys. He has 4 videos there that you can go back and you can watch them over and over and over on Doc Spills, right? um Thank you, is it Jarrell? I hope I not say the name wrong, somebody said they eat TP before. I can't remember who it was. Hold on a second. Go on, Mosquito, you too out of order. Hold on. Somebody, so Trinity is blue. So look at this, guys. It's still going, guys. I'm still in profit. I'm I'm still in profit, guys. Still in profit. Shirley says she's blue. All right, there you go. Shirley says she's blue. Shade is almost blue. So if you enter late, guys, is it Latinia? ETP, just it blue. Um, you are the best niece, Kim. Blue, and I got in late. That's Figgy. Is it Janie? I hope that's the right name. The wrong now. Janie's blue. All right, we're still in a buy, guys. We're still in a buy. Do remember, guys, the only way you would exit the trade is if it's the red box and there's an arrow. If there's an arrow, you exit the trade, guys. But don't exit too quick, because do remember, guys, that the box does disappear. Do remember that the box does disappear, right? So if silver decides to go more than this price right here, right? If it hits this TP1, TP2, and it decides to run off, the box will disappear, right? It take profit. Yes, people make money on the call. Yeah, man. See there? You're still staying in the trade, guys. Still staying. As long as this EMA is crossing down, you're still staying in. People would have hit their TP already. This candle right here is about to hit TP, guys. This candle, the new candle is about to hit TP, right? My TP is about to be it, right? Your TP would have been 28,19,200. That was your TP1. Your TP2 would have been 28,1944. The TPs are very, very close, guys, right? Well, let's see what's gonna happen. We're still in. Can you see this turn back to green, guys? This turn back to green. We're still in that trade. Got in late, but blue now. There you go. All right, we're still in. We're still in. And do remember, guys, this is silver, so you can do this on any trade, guys. Like I said, I'll be doing these calls every week. Um, every week, guys, until everybody gets it, right? So if you're not in yet, if you're not in, right, make sure you get the elite package. The colors comes with the elite package, or if you have a different package, guys, do upgrade, get the elite package so you have access to colors. So even if I'm not on or Doc Spills is not on, and also do remember that you can trade live with Doc Spills team every day at 1 p.m. UK time, which is about 6 a.m. Jamaica time for those who is in Jamaica, right? So you can trade live with them, like what I'm doing right now. You can trade live with them, and it's big excitement. And they said, "Oh my God, who is in gold? Who is in this? Who is in NAS? Who in this?" Yeah, them trade live too. All right, guys. I don't know if you all see the red arrow that appear right here and it disappear. Who saw the red arrow that disappear? It came up right here, guys. Right here it came. Let me know if you did see the red arrow that came. Yes. So that signifies that it might burst through this area and it might hit our TP2 right here. And it might surpass TP2. Let's put TP3 right here. That's TP3. Your TP3 is 28.21790, right? But our TP1 was it. It looks like it still has a little bit more momentum, guys, right? It still has a little more momentum. Let's see what's gonna happen, right? So all of this right here, guys, is the brain of the red box, right? All of this is the brain of the red box. So do remember, we do not trade in the middle. We only trade in the boxes, guys. Unless the box disappears, you can, if you take profits or partial, stay in the trade because it might surpass where it is. It was a good session I was on this morning. Yes, I took 8 1 minute trade and cleared 7. No, sir, Kiki, you're going with things on HFX. It TP1. Okay, just some people are just eating TP1. So I ate mine just now as well, guys. But look at that candle. And do remember, guys, you can literally drop down to your 1 minute on your broker. On your MetaTrader 4, you can drop down to 1 minute in the corner. So you know where you have 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, you can drop down to 1 minute to match colors. And you can see how far you were in that trade. From where you get started all the way to the top, right? So as you can see, it's rejecting this area a little bit, right? But the buyers are still in control. right? So we're not selling yet until when we have more confirmation, right? We're not selling yet, guys. We're not selling yet. All right. All right. It took me out of the trade. It took you out the trade. Did you eat your? All right. So the person iPhone, did you eat your? Okay, so it would have hit your TP, guys. If it took you out the trade automatically, it would hit your TP. It TP to on IC market. Okay, me too. I hit TP. All right, so that's it, guys. It took me out on red. Um, it took you out on red. Did you enter the trade late? If you enter the trade late, that's the only way it would have took you out the trade, guys. All right, so we have a red arrow, guys. We have a red arrow. We have a red arrow, red box. We have, let me see if the EMA is red yet. I can't even see because it's inside. All right. All right, this is what we are looking for, guys. So it's moving sideways. As you can see, guys, it's still green. The EMA is still green. Yes, it's the beginning. It's beginning to turn red, guys. So sellers are coming in quietly, right? The sellers are coming in bit by bit, guys. So look at this. We have a red arrow. We still have buyers pushing up the market a bit, guys, right? So we don't want to jump in for a sell just yet, right? Look at that candle. Jeez. Look at that candle right there. You see what I was saying, guys? Now, this is where if this continues to go up, this box will disappear. Look what's happening. Those buyers are coming in. Can you see this? Look at this, guys. There's a green volume bar right here. This turns back to green. Is green, red, green, red. This is still green. We still have green candle. Buyers are still in the market. So there you go. Your TP just got your TP2 just got smashed, and it's looking like it's going up to TP3, guys. I got out too soon. Thank you. I got frightened and just jumped up before the candle shut up. Okay. Thank you for jumping on, guys. Like I said, if you don't have the elite package yet, do consider to get the elite package, right? You can still come on to these sessions, right? And start making some money with colors. I'll be doing these sessions every day this week. Right, so every day this week, make sure if it's a demo or your live account, guys, what I want you to do is go in Discord or whatever chat you're in, post your profit and say, look here, we make midnight money with forex, with traditional forex, with colors. Tag me on IG, right? And tag Doc Spills, right? Tag Doc Spills and say, look here, you have a go live educator over here saying, no, Yeah, she could come on there and teach people how to use colors. Yeah, man. She's gonna come in there and teach people how to use colors. If you're not ready to go to sleep yet and you want to stay on and take this market down, you can stay. Feel free to stay. It's not like I have anything to do anyway. Right? But if you want to stay on and take the market down, you can for a sell. But look at this, guys. TP3 just smashed. TP3, can you see this, guys? I said, Jesus, look at this. The box disappears, guys. The box disappears and we smash TP1, TP2, and TP3. There you go. There you go, guys. Listen, let me see how much people gone. Everybody gone? 74 people is still here. Look at that, guys. TP1, TP2, and TP3 smashed. And the box disappears. What did I say before, guys? If it still continues to go up, the box will disappear, and that's exactly what it did. Right? As soon as I was about to say, if you want to stay on for the sell, it disappears. Yes, man. The Go Live Educator is loading. It's loading, man. I tell you. I told Doc Spills on his on today, and I said, listen, look out for me because I'm coming. I'm coming to teach colors. Me not even want to teach HFX. Actually, we still want to teach HFX. We are going to be two educators on there and go live. One for colors and one for HFX. Yes. One for colors and one for HFX. Because look at that, guys. TP1, TP2, and TP3 smashed live on a Zoom. And it's a good thing that I was recording it so y'all can go back and watch. I said, Jesus Christ, she said it tonight. She said it. Yeah. We're going to multitask. Any more to get into. It looks like silver. Let's see. Buyers are still coming into silver. Buyers are still coming into silver, guys. But look at that. Look at this, guys. Listen, if you weren't making no money before, you're about to make some serious money on these calls. Because it's not all about coming on. We're teaching for a couple minutes and the rest of them is live trades. So we're only gonna look at a few pairs, guys, and we're gonna stick to those few pairs, just like how Randy and his wife stick to 4 pairs, right? On their go live session. We're gonna have some specific pairs to stick to on these Zoom calls. Yes. Um, do you use Web Singer for HFX too? I do. I've actually this week I'll teach about Web Singer. On Thursday I'll teach about to how to use the Web Singer. But look at that, guys. Silver is still pushing up. We're still in. We're still in silver. Because I know some people they not close the profits and then they're still in. We're still in silver. Which pair are you looking at the moment? I'm looking at silver. Gold and move up nice. Okay. I wish I was still in. All right. So as you can see, it's kind of rejecting off of this era right here. It's kind of rejecting off of this era right here. Let's see. Boom. So the red box is gonna appear soon, guys, because anytime it starts to reject off of a area, that's where the red box appears. Figgy, I wish I still in the jumped out. That's okay. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm out now. Everybody blue. Everybody on this call should have been blue or should have been making some profit, either if you're on your live or on your demo, guys. If you were on your live or your demo, you would have seen profits. So that's how you would have rolled with your live account, right? So now it's rejecting that error right there. The box is going to appear. If you're still up, you can take it for the sell whenever the box appears, guys. So do remember, you do not take any trade without the box. So as soon as the red box appears and you see your yellow transition candle with the red outline and an arrow, and you have your red EMA, you have your red bars, you have your red EMA down here again, I call it worm, and you have your red volume bar, that means you're selling, right? So is it Jenny? I'm in for a sale when you're ready. Okay, we're waiting for the box. All right, so let me do this. Let me stop recording.